Welcome back to Summarize Science. We all know that communication can be messy. Things get lost in translation all the time. But what if you could share a thought directly, with no words needed, like telepathy? Well, a new research paper explores exactly that, but for artificial intelligence. They argue that for AI to reach its full potential, it needs to stop talking like us and start communicating mind to mind. Right now, when multiple AIs work together, they usually chat using text, just like people. The problem is that language, whether for humans or AI, is often ambiguous and indirect. This paper introduces a new idea called thought communication. Instead of sharing words, the AIs share their underlying thoughts, the core data patterns that represent their reasoning. Think of it like this example. Two AIs are asked for the best way to the airport. One AI is thinking about luggage and speed, so it suggests a car. The other is thinking about punctuality and speed, so it suggests a train. They both share the thought of speed, but have private thoughts about luggage and punctuality. To make this happen, the researchers created a framework called THOUGHCOMM. It's designed to extract these latent thoughts from each AI's internal state before they even generate a response. Crucially, the system can identify the structure of these thoughts. It figures out which thoughts are shared among the group, like the idea of speed in the airport example. And it can also identify which thoughts are private to a single AI. This is a key breakthrough because it allows the AIs to understand their common ground and their unique perspectives. So, does this AI telepathy actually work? The team tested it by having AI teams solve difficult math problems. The results are pretty staggering. As you can see in this table, the THOUGHTCOMM method consistently outperformed other approaches, in some cases by a huge margin. The AIs not only got more answers right, but they also reached a unanimous decision more often, showing better teamwork. They also found that this new communication method is much more robust. Even as the conversations got longer or more complex, the AIs didn't get confused like they did with language-based methods. So let's recap the big takeaways. The researchers proved that it's possible for AI to communicate directly through thoughts, bypassing the limits of language. Their system can reliably separate shared and private thoughts, giving the AI team a much deeper understanding of each other's reasoning. So, what does this mean for the future? This could be a foundational step towards creating truly collaborative AI systems that can solve problems far beyond human capabilities. By giving AI a more direct and efficient way to collaborate, we might be unlocking a new level of collective intelligence.